SMC this, SMC that. So the word SMC has become a fancy word these days. Wherever I go to YouTube, I see this single word. I can't catch a break. So before I teach you guys what a correct change of character is, I want to ask a simple question. Which one of these two examples is a correct change of character? You might have some experience, right? A few weeks, few months, at least few years, probably. You might call yourself SMC trader. So pause the video and guess, research, whatever you do. Tell me which one of these two example is a proper change of character. Okay, so you can pause and write down what you think below. Now I'll start explaining what a correct change of character is. So the answer is none of these two examples are a correct change of character. Before we look the correct way to approach CHoCH, I'll say why these two are fake. These two are not a proper way to take change of character in the market. Okay, so the first example, we get a good bullish movement right here. The market breaks a valid structure. So guys, if you're wondering, if you have doubts that why am I not taking this as a breakout structure, why am I not typing this as a breakout structure, that means that you still don't know the basic concepts in SMC, which is market structure. It's one of the crucial concepts. That's the framework from building your strategy using SMC. So learn that one first if you don't understand, if you have such doubts. Okay, I have also made a video myself. I hope that one helps you. So we get a good BOS right here, and then the market comes down and takes this low. So why is this example not a correct change of character? In fact, this is not even a change of character, not correct or wrong. So the thing is, proper change of character can only happen to a structure that's outside where the market broke a big structure. For example, the market should not come here and take this low. This is just a liquidity grab according to SMC. What should actually happen is the market should come down, once again take this high like this, and only then when the market takes this low, we can assume that this is a correct change of character. So you might be wondering, this is what exactly has happened in the second example, right? But this is also not a change of character. I'll tell you why. So this is the first example, not a change of character. You should not call this a good change of character or bad change of character. There is only one thing, change of character or not. Okay, so don't confuse such things, such general things. Okay, so in the second example, whatever I said below has happened. We get a good BOS, breaking a big structure to the left side, and then the market comes down, and then it's a small dip. Okay, it doesn't matter if this is a small dip or a big dip. All it matters is the market should come down after BOS and then proceed to take this high like this. Okay, so after this happens, the low should be taken, and only then we can confirm that this is a change of character. But why is this example not a proper change of character? So now I'll tell the exact way to approach the market when you take CHoCH. Okay, I'll just delete this. Okay, so proper change of character looks something like this. Take notes if you want, take screenshots if you want. If you have doubts, obviously, I'm free to help. Ask them in the comments. So the first thing you should look for is a proper break of structure. So let's say the market comes here. Okay, let's say the market comes here. We get a good movement like this, and then the market comes down, and then we get a BOS, a proper break of structure. I'll take this. Okay, a proper breakout structure to the upside. So guys, first note that a BOS should only end with a candle close. That's the first thing you should look at, whether the candle has closed above this. It doesn't matter which time frame it is. It's same for every single time frame. Okay, so after this has happened, the market should come down. A small dip, a big dip, doesn't matter. The market should come down and then proceed to take this high once again like this. The market should break this high, and after that When the market takes this low, you can assume that this is a change of character. So what else do we need to spot the correct CHoCH in the market? This is what you should have. A supply zone, you might call the supply zone, order block, doesn't matter. So you should have a supply zone which the price mitigated, and only then the market should give us a CHoCH after breaking this low. So this is the textbook representation of a proper change of character in the market. This is what you should consider as a CHoCH, not this, not this. If you consider this as a CHoCH, this happens tons of times in the market. Let's say you take an entry here, a sell entry here. When the market goes up, you may be wondering, I have taken the CHoCH correctly, but why is the market just giving me -1? So this is the reason, okay? And this one is completely wrong. If you're following this, stop that right away, okay? So this is a proper change of character, and there's a very strong way to take another change of character in the market. I'll tell that also. So what should happen is, the market should come down and take this low once again, which means the trend doesn't matter which time frame you're dealing with, the trend has changed downtrend from uptrend. So the market is downtrend, you can take this as a strong change of character. I usually take this one as C1 and this one as a proper change of character. If you want to be aggressive, you can take this one itself as a change of character. It's completely fine if it aligns with your personality and your trading strategy. Okay, so guys, this is the proper way, the correct way to take change of character. And I'll show some examples. I'll try to find some examples. Okay. Okay. So this is a good example. So when you see here, the market has given a good BOS and we get a candle close if you zoom in, which means this is a proper breakout structure. Like I said, if you don't know what a proper BOS is, if you don't know how to draw proper market structure, just please pause this video, go learn basics of SMC. Don't buy a course, please, that won't help you at all. Learn them yourself. Okay, so after a BOS has happened, what should we expect for? The market should give us a dip, take this high, and only then it should take this low, so that we can take this as a C1 or a change of character. So let's see what happened here. Okay. So the market has gone up. The market has gone up after BOS, came down. Once again it took this high, and again it pulled back. And once again it took this high, and we get a good CHoCH right here. Right here. So this, we can take this as a change of character, but like I said, there is an important thing we should do after this. Check whether there is a good supply zone on the left side of the market to back your CHoCH. Okay, I'll just draw it from here. We got a good supply here. Like just extend this. We got a good supply here, but it got mitigated. So I'll just remove the part that got mitigated, and I will expand this. Or we can find a good supply in the 30 minutes. Okay, I think the market is already reacting to something. So as you can see, the market is reacting to the supply that we drew to the left side. So this can be taken as a strong change of character. All right. So now we can expect that the market will come down, give us a correction to the downside. Now this is after getting a change of character is when you should do all those things. Draw your fib, take out your fib, find the premium discount zones, expect that the market should come down. So all those things, and then coming down. mitigating this probably in this demand, going up and breaking this high. So guys, this is the use case of a change of character, and this is how you should take a proper change of character. Before I end this video, please be aware that more than 95% of the trading YouTubers are fake. Complete bullshit. All those concepts, I have seen few videos and I can't hold myself to watch those videos till the end, from the start till the end. Complete bullshit. They don't know anything about what they're talking about. They are just pathetic people trying to fool people, make money out of selling something, getting your views, so all those things. So guys, be aware of those things, and I have made my point. So I hope this was helpful. I wish you success in your trading journey. Most importantly, I wish you guys peace. See you in the next video.